What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Hey y'all, it is Damon here from DecoExchange, and tonight we're gonna make a pretty quick project, a little simple grapevine wreath. So step one is to get our grapevine ready. So all right, this grapevine does have a large stick sticking out right here. So we are going to trim that down. Y'all, all of the little smaller twigs, I don't really worry about. I mainly worry about the ones that could damage someone's door. All right, so let's get our sign prepped first so that it's ready. Y'all, if your sticker gives you a little problem, just get a blow dryer, turn on high heat, and blow dry it just for a second, and it will peel off. So y'all, we're gonna use our little mounting squares to put a square in each corner. I like to add a little bit of super glue when I do that. So just a little dab in all four corners. All right, so we got our stickies on. Y'all, we're gonna use 4 pipe cleaners, and we're gonna add a pipe cleaner to all the stickies. Y'all, on a grapevine wreath, I like to do half the pipe cleaner all the way through and give it a twist because we're just gonna wrap this piece around the grapevine. Y'all, we're gonna get this added right up here. So just run your pipe cleaners right through the grapevine. All right, so if you look on the back, you can see all we did was wrap them right through. Y'all, on these, what you're gonna wanna do is trim them down. Then tuck them in, okay? Trim and tuck. Now we're ready to do our bow. Y'all, so I do have 3 ribbons in there. They are 72 inches. All right, I'm gonna use my bow maker and start making our bow. Y'all, we're gonna do about an 8-inch tail. All right, about 6-inch loop. Another 6-inch loop. And then tie it off right over here at the 8. Same thing with our next one. Yeah, you get the grapevine in the kit. I'm pretty sure I saw the scissors on the website today. All right, this loop's gonna be about 5.5 inches. Y'all, this one's gonna be about 5 inches. Ginger, if your peg still falls out, just put a little bit of super glue in there and it'll be permanent. All right, so y'all, our loops started at 6 inches and went down 1/2 inch on each one. Y'all, now we're gonna take our scraps and just add those scraps right back in. All right, our center loop. Y'all, now we can slide a bow off and get it tightened up. get our pipe cleaner wrapped around it, get it pushed nice and tight, and twist it off. Y'all, we're gonna add our bow right down here. Now, I try to get mine as far down on the grapevine as possible so that my bow doesn't cover the sun. I make it look so easy. Linda, lots of practice. It'll be just as easy for you once you get it going. All right. So y'all, and on the ribbon, all we did was match the sign. We've got the red glitter, we've got the red glitter, we've got the white, we've got the red, and the greens. That's it. Made sure it matched. I want to take my green and just cut it right in half. Now, I always put my longer piece towards the bottom and the shorter piece towards the top. That's just a personal preference. You don't have to do it that way. I am probably going to lose this pine cone because I don't want that pine cone to stop this stem from sliding in, y'all. So just work that right into the grapevine. Gonna get some glue on that stem. All right, then we're gonna use our longer one down here at the bottom. All right, let's trim our bow up. So I'm just gonna dovetail my tips. That's it for tonight. Quick wreath, quick project, easy to stock in your Etsy store, and a little bit of awareness. All right, good night, y'all.